Now you might be wondering, what is EMDR? EMDR stands for eye movement desensitization reprocessing, and those are a lot of big words, so I'm going to break it down. When we sleep, our brains help our bodies heal and to process what we've been through during the day during rapid eye movement sleep or REM sleep. And so EMDR recreates that experience while you are awake to help your brain figure out what to do with distressing information.
Yeah.
So during REM sleep, if you have been through something traumatic, something stressful, something emotionally overwhelming, sometimes your brain does not know what to do with that information, and it's trying to sort it and file it away, but it can't find a place, so it just kind of lingers there and gets stuck.
Yeah.
So what happens then is it can cause feelings of overwhelm, exhaustion. It can lead to chronic stress. What is that statistic on chronic stress?
49% of Americans are experiencing chronic stress.
49%, so that's almost half.
Yeah, 1 in 2.
1 in 2. So EMDR recreates the REM process, but helps you be a little more in charge of processing and making sense of something that's distressing and upsetting. The D for desensitization basically means that it's helping you lower stress, while the R for reprocessing means that you are making sense of what you've been through while boosting resilience. And then EMDR has these ripple effects that are lasting, and they help your brain create new pathways that are more positive and adaptive, which is also where we got tap to adapt from. Part of the adapting process is there. If you are interested or would like more information, visit our website at www.taptoadapt.com.